At Got Your Six Coffee Company, we are using the power of coffee as a tool to brew better days for our country. In response to Hurricane Harvey and Hurricane Irma that devastated both Texas and Florida in 2017, a mere 187 days after Got Your Six Coffee Company was born, we proved our mission as we orchestrated a campaign to support those who were working tirelessly to rebuild the affected communities. Here is a short recap of our efforts back at the beginning of our story in 2017.
Dear Mr. Hadley, on behalf of the men and women of Collier County Sheriff's Office, I would like to thank you for your participation and support for our agency members before, during, and after Hurricane Irma. As all of us continue moving forward to get back to some sense of normalcy, it is important to remember those who still face significant challenges. It is also important that we recognize and thank those residents, businesses, and all of our Collier County Sheriff's Office members who worked together for the good of all of our community during this historic and tragic event. Disasters are challenging for any community, and there are still residents that need help to rebuild their lives in Collier County. In our community, we have experienced the best of what can be done by working in partnership with one another. You are a very important part in our community and are greatly appreciated. Sincerely, Kevin J. Rambosk, Sheriff, Collier County, Florida.